Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Career Up English, where we level up your career by learning English for your profession. My name is Matthew, and today we are jumping into website basics for the digital marketing course. So today we talk about all things websites and learn vocabulary and make cool sentences, I hope. So let's get started. Warm up. Visit the website listed in the class resources titled Website Marketing, the Definitive Guide. Okay, so there is a website in your class resources. Go visit that website, read and answer these questions below. So, what is website marketing and why is it important? Number two, why are websites such a good marketing tool? What are some ways to promote your website? What are some effective website marketing strategies? Now, you might have to explore this website and some links to find all these answers, okay? But it's all here. You can find most of them on this website. Download the PDF for the class if you didn't. That's also in the class resources, and answer these questions. You can do this in groups or you can do it alone. We will be back shortly, so visit that website and I will see you soon. Go ahead. Okay, I hope you pause the video, but we're back and we're going to look at number one. On this website, what is website marketing and why is it important? Number one, website marketing is a strategic promotion of your site to drive traffic to your site. It is important because every aspect of your brand's presence comes from your website. So that's why it's important. Every aspect of your brand's presence comes from your website. I don't know if that's true. Some of our brand's presence can come from social media, okay? But every aspect of your brand's presence. I mean, at least you can grab every aspect, maybe not all of the aspects, but every aspect. Maybe your visual, your story, okay? Your professionalism in the brand can all come on your website. Number two, why are websites such a good marketing tool? They can show the ins and outs of your brand and better showcase your brand as a whole. All right. Number three, some ways to promote my website are SEO, backlinks, emails, social media, and influencers. Promoting your website. Number four, what are some effective website marketing strategies? Some strategies are analytics, mobile trends, understanding user interaction, right? So that's engagement, how users use your site, and more. So maybe you have more, and that's okay. That website is just a neat read, gives you some good information. Okay, let's keep going. Key vocabulary for website basics. Number one, homepage. Number two, the URL or the Uniform Resource Locator. Number three, a domain. Number four, navigation. Number five, link. Number six, header. Number seven, footer. Number eight, content. Number nine, browser. Okay, basic vocabulary for websites. Read the definitions on the right, pause the video, and match the definition to your vocabulary word. Okay, pause the video, and I will be back shortly. Go ahead. All right, let's get going. Number one, home page. E, it is the main or starting page of a website, typically containing key information and navigation links. So that's navigation here. So it has links on it. It is the main page or the start page, the home page. Number two, URL. F, the web address that specifies the location of the web page on the internet. So that's the whole web address. And we will look at that later in this lesson. Number three, domain. B, the unique name that identifies a website on the internet. www.blah, blah, 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 blah.com. Okay, that's your domain name. Now, it's not the whole URL. Be careful. The URL is more than the domain name. The domain name is just the name of your website. Okay, so it could just be example here is the domain name. Navigation. The system of links and menus that allows users to move between different pages on a website. So that's all of your links and your menus. 5, link. H, a clickable element that directs users to another web page or a resource or something, right? That's your interaction with the website. The call to action button is a link. 6, header. G, the top section of a web page, often containing the website's logo, the menu, and other important information. The top of your page. Footer, so that's the head, right? The head, top of your body, header, top of your web page. Footer. Your feet, bottom of your body. The footer, bottom of a website. The bottom section of a web page, usually containing copyright information, links to privacy policies, and contact details. It's always at the bottom. Number 8, content. A, the information, images, and multimedia elements presented on a web page. It's all the things on your web page is your content. Okay, it's got your SEOs, your keywords, stuff that helps you out in searches, all the information about your company, your images, your multimedia, your videos, your customer reviews. Okay, that's all content. D, browser, a software application used to access and view websites. So your browser could be like your Chrome, your Google Chrome, your Safari, your Firefox. Those are browsers. Not search engines. Those are different. These are browsers. Okay, everyone, that is vocabulary for today, for this lesson. Let's keep going. In this picture, I have a website, and I want you to label these red boxes. All right, over here we have CTA, call to action button. You have a scroll bar, domain, URL, logo, navigation menu, a search, and a banner or a slider. Now, we didn't talk about that in our vocab words, but that's okay. See if you can match these. Pause the video on your PDF, write down where you think these are in this picture. Okay, we'll be back soon. Go ahead. All right, everyone, welcome back. Let's begin. We're going to begin, I believe, here is the very first one. This big picture right on the front of your website is your banner or your slider. This is pretty common. You see this on a lot of websites. Next, I think we jump up here. We've got a larger square around a smaller square, okay? The larger square is going to be your URL, your Uniform Resource Locator on the internet. The smaller box is your domain name. Okay. Next, you've got here right in the center of the page, you've got your logo. And under the logo, you have your navigation menu with all of your links to get around the website. Over here, you can search the website. On the side, you have a scroll bar. And in the middle of the banner slider, you've got your Shop Now button, and that is your CTA or your call to action. Okay, so that's a few of the items on a front page. I didn't put everything on here. I understand that, but these are some basic elements of a website and some vocabulary. Let's keep going. Here is another home page of a website. Okay, look at this front page, home page, and list every single item that you can, even vocabulary words that we didn't talk about in today. So over here, write down everything that you see on this picture. What did we talk about? What are some things here? Okay. And more. Maybe whatever you see here, write it down. I want you to talk about everything you see. Pause the video, go ahead and write, and I will be back shortly. Go ahead. All right, let's get going. Lots of things on this page. Maybe I missed some things. Maybe you know things I don't. We got a landing page. This is the front page. Landing page, front page, home page. This is it. Okay. We've got contact. Contact us at the top. We've got a search bar. We've got a blog. Okay. We've got sign in for your account, my account. We've got a header. Okay. The header is the top of the page. We don't have a footer because we don't see the bottom of the page, but this is the header. We got a logo, right? Power your adventures, power your home. Or here's the logo, Green Mountain Energy over here in the corner. And this is your header. You've got a call to action. You got two call to actions. I have a business, get a quote. I have a home, view plans in your area. Okay. These are two call to action buttons. You got links. You've got background. You've got a catchphrase. Tap into nature with 100% clean electricity. You've got a banner. This is your banner, your slider. You've got a navigation menu. Okay. That's all I put here. But maybe there's more. Good, good, good. What vocabulary do you know? What did you get? What did you miss? Leave it in the comments below. What did I miss? Part 4, fill in the blank. Blog, web browser, header, website, link, domain, footer, home page. Fill in the blank. Read these sentences, okay? And fill in the blank. Pause the video. You can work with a partner. You can work alone, and I will be back shortly. Go ahead. Okay, let's keep going. Number 1, our company's blank is www.wearethebestcompanyintheworldforever.com. And that would be your company's domain or your domain name. Okay. You could say our company's website is www.wearethebestcompanyintheworldforever.com. Both of these could work here. This is your domain. Number 2, click on the blank to download the PDF file with additional details. What do you click on? You click on a link. Number 3, I created a personal blank to showcase my portfolio and skills. What did you create? You created a personal website. We wouldn't say I created a personal domain. Okay. Website could be used here, but domain cannot be used here. So I created a personal website to showcase my portfolio and skills. Number 4, the blank of the online store features the latest products and promotions. The homepage. It's always going to show the latest products and promotions on the homepage. Number 5, check the blank for contact information and links to privacy policy. Where do you find contact information? Where do you find the privacy policy? In the footer. 6, Google Chrome is a popular blank, known for its speed and reliability web browser. Number 7, the blank of a web page includes a company logo and a menu for easy access to different sections. What has the logo? The header. Number 8, the author updates the blank regularly with insights and personal experiences. They update the blog on the website. Okay. So those are not so difficult. I think most of you could get these. Maybe domain and website was the only question, this one. But these are pretty simple. All right, everyone, good job. Let's keep going. Questions and answers. Create questions and answers in the present continuous English tense. So present continuous is a is, am, are, verb, ing. So think of it like this. If this is time, okay, and this is now, all right, present continuous is going to start now, and it's going to continue for a long time. And we don't know when it will stop. All we know is we're doing it now, and we're going to do it into the future. So this is your is, am, are, and your verb ing. So we're going to make questions and answers with this form. My example is this word homepage, and the question word is what. I want you to use these question words. Why, what, are, why, and what. All right. So my question would be, to use homepage, you need to ask a question. You don't need to say, what is your homepage? That's not continuous. That's not present continuous. You need to come up with a question or an idea that gives you present continuous, and you use homepage. So what are you currently working on? I'm working on a new homepage for our website. This word can be in the question or the answer, right? I am working on, am verb ing. What are you working on? Are you working on verb ing? So remember, are, am, and is are for different subject pronouns. Okay, so number 1 is going to be header and what. Number 2 is going to be URL and why. Number 3, content and are. Number 4, link and why. Number 5, browser and what. So these are maybe a little bit difficult, but that's okay. That's okay. Try to make a question and an answer in present continuous. And you can leave a comment under the video, okay? And tell me what your question is and your answer is, and if it's right, and I can correct it for you and help you out. So pause the video, go make some questions and answers using the vocabulary. Go ahead. I'll be back soon. Okay, I hope your answers and questions are good and you are confident in these and using this vocabulary. Number 1, header. What? What's my question? What is the web developer doing right now? Any question you can make, any question, doesn't matter. This is my question. What is the web developer doing right now? What is somebody doing? That's your verb ing, is, am, are, verb ing, right now. Now, remember, I showed you now, it has to be. The web developer is designing the header of the website. So I use header in the answer. You could say, what is the web developer designing right now? You could say that. I just said doing. The web developer is designing the header of the website. That would work in the question also. URL and why? What's my question? Why is the team updating the URL? So I use URL in the question here. Why is something updating the URL? Updating is your verb ing with is. Answer, we are modifying the URL to improve its accessibility and relevance. So I use URL in both question and answer, and I have are modifying verb ing. Number 3, content. Are you working on the website? Remember, I wanted you to ask an are question here. Are you working on the website? Yes, I'm creating new content for the blog. Okay, pretty simple one. I am creating, verb ing, am. Link, why? Why are you making changes to the website? Why are you making changes to the website? Why is your question word. Are you, verb ing. I'm adding links to the navigation bar to improve user experience. Or I'm adding links. Yep, links is the vocabulary word here. I'm adding links to the nav bar. Remember, this is where you find links to improve user experience. I am adding. Cool. Just use link anywhere in the question and answer. Browser and what? What browser are you using? Pretty easy. What's the answer, everyone? What browser are you using? I'm using the Firefox browser. I'm using Google Chrome. I'm using Safari. All are fine. Right, so that's questions and answers with verb ing and website basics and website vocabulary. Okay, so that's it for website basics today. In the next lesson, we start talking about SEO, or search engine optimization. Thank you for watching my class. I hope you liked it. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you think. And I hope to see you in the next one. Take care.